Make 7,000 naira from these apps I'm about to mention every single day. If you are seeing it for the very first time, welcome to my channel. What we do here is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's dive into this video. And mind you, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you are going to be seeing. Okay, let's dive into this video. So the very first website you are going to be going is your nairaworker.com. You can use your smartphone. I'm going to be using my smartphone as well to show you exactly how you can actually do it on your smartphone. You don't have to have a system to be able to do this. Okay, all you need is just your smartphone, and I'm using my smartphone as well to show you exactly how you can actually make money from those apps or websites I'm about to show you. Now let's get started. So all you have to do is go to your Chrome browser or Google browser, type in NairaWorker. It's going to show this particular website, and you click on the very first one or this second one, NairaWorker crowdsourcing platform for individuals and business owner. Click on it. It's going to take you to their home page. First website is NairaWorker. Go to your Chrome browser and type in nairaworker.com. It's going to look like this. Click on the very first link or the second link. It's still the same thing. It's going to take you to their home page. So this is how their home page looks like. As you can see, 208,000 plus tasks completed, small gigs, big results. NairaWorker is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We collect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So there are different tasks that you can actually perform on this NairaWorker, from social networking, writing, test website, data entry, downloading, searching, installing, testing my mobile app, right through to watch videos, taking surveys as well. Those are part of tasks we can perform on NairaWorker to get paid. So you click on freelancer, not business owner, because you are here to earn money. So you click on freelancers, you can browse job. It's going to take you to where you're going to sign up. But let's scroll down. I already have an account, so I'm not signing up. Just want to show you what exactly you're going to be doing there. So these are the sample of jobs you are likely to be doing on NairaWorker. Another way you can make money from NairaWorker is by referring people to NairaWorker, and you're going to get paid as well. Now let's go to the next website. So the next website is SideGig. Make money online. SideGig provides a solution to efficiently handle labor and overhead costs. So what you're going to do is go to your Chrome browser as usual, search sidegig.com and click on the very first link. It's going to show you something like this. So click on the very first link or second link to go to their home page. So SideGig and NairaWorker are similar, like they are mostly the same thing. It's an outsourcing It's an outsourcing platform as well, where you perform tasks like following, tweeting, posting, commenting, voting, stuff like that. So to start on gig worker, you're going to cross to worker, not business. Make money in your spare time, become a side gig worker and start applying for a job. Side gig is a crowdsourcing marketplace, as I said earlier. It's similar to NairaWorker as well. So what you're going to be doing here is also like following, tweeting, taking surveys, voting, reviewing content pages, commenting, stuff like that. So what you're going to do is just to sign up and start making money and start working for this particular platform. So now let's go to the next website. The next website is VTU Express. Go to your Chrome browser as usual or your Google search bar and type VTU Express. It's going to take you to their link and click on it. It's going to bring you to their home page. So welcome to VTU Express. Refer people to VTU Express and earn 500 naira. And this is how the platform looks like. What you're going to be doing here is buying data, generating data pin, scratch card, Neco scratch card, wire scratch card, NAPTEP, electricity bill, and that's how you're going to be making money from this particular website. It's something that I've used in the past. As you can see, total funding, my total funding on this particular website is 130,000 naira. I already logged into my account. To sign up is just your details, your name, your Gmail and username and referral code. I'm going to put my referral code on the screen if you want to use mine as well. I'm just going to be getting a commission for using my referral code. You can also refer people to make money from this particular website as well. Now let's go to the next website. So the next website is Orchids Nigeria. Go to your Chrome browser as usual, your Google search bar, and type in orchids.ng. It's going to show you the first link and click on it. The link is going to take you to this particular page. It gets paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. On this particular website, you need, what are the things you need? You need 1,000 subscribers or followers either on TikTok, Facebook. You need it so you can be able to perform tasks on this particular website. And if you don't have 1,000 followers, you cannot be able to use this particular website. So for earners, you are going to click on for earner, get paid for posting adverts on your social media. You're just going to be posting adverts on your social media. And there is other way you can actually earn money is by reselling product as well. They have some affiliate products, so when you sell, you're going to get a commission when you sell that particular product as well. You can also promote those things on your social media and you sell it. Like for instance, with TikTok, you can post that product that is there on TikTok and you're going to get your own commission, or either on Facebook or anything, Facebook Marketplace, you can post it there too and get your own commission. So that's how you can make money from Orchids Nigeria. But the obstacle I see about Orchids Nigeria is that you need to pay the sum of 1,000 naira. You need to pay 1,000 naira. I will always tell you every single thing that you're going to be facing on each website. So the 3 websites I've mentioned before, you're not going to be paying any money, but here on Orchids Nigeria, you're going to be paying the sum of 1,000 naira before you can start earning. So that will be all about these websites. See you in my next video, and make sure you subscribe and like the video as well. Bye. Take